Coming up, look who's back for more.
He's sitting in the driver's seat. Great car.
It's southbound on Bayview Avenue.
The vehicle is mobile. Finally.
Every Thursday, watch the best World 7, an all-new episode every Thursday at 9 on Free TV. Colorful deodorant protect against sweat, but they can cause skin irritation. Dove Men Plus Care combines 48-hour protection plus our 1/4 moisturizer technology in a non-irritant formula. New Dove Men Plus Care deodorant, tough on sweat, not on skin.
Think you need a harsh chemical peel for smooth skin? With Olay Challenge Bath, you get drastic measures of that. New Regenerist Night Elixir gently resurfaces for the smooth skin of a light chemical peel. Sleep tight. Regenerist from Olay.
Introducing Good Hands Roadside from Allstate. It's free to join, and you don't have to be an Allstate customer to use it. Now help is never far away.
Get the free to join, pay only when you use it, roadside assistance. Register at allstate.com/roadside.
It's spring savings at Pep Boys, featuring Global Super Motor Oil. Tested and proven. Reduce wear, prevent flush.